we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words, and some of the most mispronounced words in English too. So make sure to stay tuned for those. So only the top spelling of this word here is actually correct. The word that is written at the bottom doesn't exist in English in that spelling. But yes, of course, you normally say to pronounce. The word is pronounce. But when you say the name, it becomes pronunciation. Pronunciation. Yes, not pronunciation. And, there's no reason why. That's just what it is. So the word is to be said pronunciation with an emphasis on that fourth A syllable. Pronunciation, not pronunciation. And now you know. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.